in Maryland, 80 guns, including 3D printed ghost guns, were seized from a home in St. Mary's County Thursday night. We're just learning about this. Authorities are looking for a man they consider armed and dangerous. The county sheriff's office says they were called to a home on Goddard Road in Lexington Park Thursday night around 9:23 for a reported domestic assault call. They say Jerod Adam Taylor left before deputies arrived. They say they found the extensive collection of weapons, including several 3D printed ghost guns, which don't have serial numbers, 1,300 rounds of ammunition, devices to turn semi-automatic guns into fully automatic ones, and armor. Deputies say Taylor was already barred from owning guns because of prior convictions and was wanted for an outstanding warrant for theft. He is facing several new charges. Anybody who may see him or know where Taylor is urged to call 911.